Hello student, today's topic is the end of the civilization. The causes of decay and disappearance of Harappan civilization. The scholars have no definite answer to the puzzle that how this remarkable civilization was destroyed. This widespread civilization could neither come to an abrupt end or could it be destroyed by only one cause? Dr. P.G. Gokhale is of the view that nature and man must have combined to cause its complete destruction. Means anything or any civilization cannot destroy it immediately or itself by one or a particular cause. And according to Sir John Marshall, the Indus Valley civilization collapsed about 1,000 years before the coming of the Aryans. But recent researchers indicate that this culture must have continued up to 800 BC. Even after it is important center were ruined, the civilization continued and gradually mixed up with the Vedic culture. The following causes have been put forward for the decay and disappearance of this magnificent culture. Number one, flood. The vagaries of the Indus were largely responsible for the destruction of the Indus Valley cities. Frequent occurrence of flood in the Indus might have submerged vast territories and thus buried them under thick layer of mud. Famines. It is possible that the rainfall in Sindh, which might have been more plentiful than it is now, this could have become scantily about 2000 BC and Sindh might have become a desert. As a result, the people might have migrated to other areas. Third cause is earthquake. It is also possible that earthquake might have brought a havoc in the Indus Valley. Vast areas might have been split, thus destroying the cities. Fourth point or fourth cause is changes in the course of river Indus. Abrupt changes in the course of the Indus River might have washed away large areas, thus leading to the destruction of the civilization. Next cause is evidence of invasion of Aryans. Probably the invasions of the Aryans brought about the end of the flourishing Indus civilization, because soon after the Harappan culture vanished, a warrior race called the Aryan fell upon India. The invaders came through the Himalayas. The Harappan culture vanished, and the end of the Harappan civilization, archaeologists are not satisfying any of the above region, but they are thinking and they are cooperating to all these regions, and this is continue a mystery that it is not clear that which reason or which cause was most probably relevant for the declining of Harappan civilization.